Try this mixture on your skin for a glowing, beautiful and younger skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, I'll be showing you some ingredients to mix together so that you achieve a younger, glowing skin. This is without any side effects. All the ingredients are purely natural, very healthy for the skin. It will not only make you look younger and have a glowing skin, it will as well help to nourish and protect your skin from sagging, preventing stretch marks and other skin disorders. So this is for all skin types, okay? Just continue watching because you will love this remedy a lot. So the first ingredient you have to get is cucumber. Cucumber contains high percentage of fiber and water, and it helps to revive the skin. Either you eat it or you apply it on the skin. It will help a lot to treat so many skin problems, like helping to revive your skin, making sure your skin is looking more youthful and fresh, like helping to get rid of puffy eyes, eye wrinkles. It helps to protect your skin from drying out a lot. So this is very important if you want to stay younger. Before showing you the next one to use, okay, you have to grate it. Wash it thoroughly. Just get about half of it, okay? Just cut it into half after washing it. Grate it to get the juice from it. You strain it out so that you get the juice from it. So after that, you keep it aside. And the next ingredient you have to get is rice powder. So here is rice powder, the one I bought from the supermarket. You can actually order it online. You can also prepare it yourself by using your rice grain at home. Get your rice grain, blend it until it's in a smooth form like this, in a powdered form. So that one is actually more organic. So rice helps to brighten the skin, helps to tighten a saggy skin, delaying signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, helping to protect your skin from aging, okay, future aging, and also helping to brighten your skin. It gets rid of dead skin cells. It's very exfoliating. The results will amaze you. Your skin will look very fresh, so beautiful and younger. In that cucumber juice, just add in 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice powder, okay? Just 1 tablespoon is enough actually. So after that, you mix this cucumber juice and rice, mix them together, and the next ingredient to add in there is this almond oil. I love almond oil so much because it glows the skin. It contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to firm up your skin, tighten your skin. Not only to moisturize your skin, it helps so well to delay signs of aging by fighting free radical damage that makes your skin age faster, helping to protect your skin against sun damage, okay? And I love it so much because it helps a lot. If you do not have almond oil, you can actually make use of vitamin E oil. Just add about half tablespoon of almond oil or half tablespoon of vitamin E oil. If the vitamin E you have is the capsule form, just pop in 2 capsules of vitamin E and you are all good. Anytime you add any ingredients, just mix them. As you add this almond oil, mix it with the others until it's in a smooth paste. So if your remedy is still watery, all you have to do is just to add more rice powder. So if your remedy is very thick, you just have to add rose water. Rose water is amazing for the skin. You are going to benefit so much from rose water. Rose water is very, very organic, making your skin to look fresh, supple and younger. It's for all skin types, okay? For all skin types. It helps to balance the skin pH. Either you have dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, any skin type will benefit a lot from this, helping to tighten a saggy skin. Like the results will amaze you, leaving your skin very fresh, well hydrated and glowing. Add little by little. Use it to mix the ingredients until in a thick, smooth paste. Not so thick anyway and not watery. So add rose water little by little and the results will get a very smooth paste. So wash your skin very well. Wash off all makeups and this. Then you have to apply this remedy on your skin. Apply on your neck as well to make everywhere uniform, making everywhere younger. You can as well go on and apply this treatment all over your body to achieve a great result. Like your skin will be glowing and looking younger. Leave this treatment on your skin 15 to 20 minutes. You can actually leave it on more than that. So make sure you apply under your eyes, You know, this is very important to get rid of puffy eyes and eye wrinkles. So with consistent use of this, you achieve great results. You'll be looking younger all the time with a lovely glowing skin. Apply this treatment morning or night, but once daily. Very safe to apply every day, okay? Every day is okay, and you achieve wonderful skin. Wash it off after 15-20 minutes and you're all good. Use a lukewarm water to wash it off. Apply a very light moisturizer and your skin will look so beautiful. To get rid of those wrinkles, signs of aging, you have to repeat this treatment, like be consistent with it to get perfect results. Store the remain in the refrigerator to make use of it next time, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.